2 points in the last session. That was a trait EI and ability EI. Now, our 5 units. Are you with me, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Our 5 units are basically derived from 5 good books. If you just see your syllabus, and the bottom line, there are 5 books which are excellent books, which I have seen, which I have read many times. These are the books which you keep in your library also, your personal library. Okay. Now, we have understood, we are just learning the emotional intelligence unit. Here, today we are going to discuss about 5 dimensions of trait emotional intelligence model. Scholars, Goldman, and these people have created these 5 traits or these 5 dimensions, these 5 components, which if you understand these components, it will develop your personality. It will develop you guys. Now understand, friends, why we are doing a study of the emotional intelligence. Because if somewhere we are facing problem, either at a workplace, either at a family background, or either at in our life, somewhere if we are not controlling our emotions, somewhere if we are failing to get ownership of our emotions, somewhere we are disturbing ourselves due to the other people's causes. For example, I tell you, if somebody has taken a new car, if your neighbor has taken a new car, or if your best friend has taken a new car, Neha, can you just tell me what will be our feeling? What will be your feeling when your best friend is taking a new car?
My personal feeling is I'll feel very happy, and yes. I have also dreams, so I will put my 100% to achieve my dream also. Yes. This will be an inspiration if my best friend is taking the car or whatever.
Yes.
So, yeah, I will be happy.
Very good, Neha, very good. But Neha, we know what happens in the most of the people's heart when they come to know that their friend, their neighbor, their relatives has taken a brand new car. Then somewhere, now please understand, guys, this is the very important example where we have to understand, because before I start these 5 points, today I'm only going to discuss with these 2 points. This is very large and it is very, very important to understand. ये सेशन इसलिए है क्योंकि हमें चेंज करना है, हमें. That is what the things. We are not learning here a syllabus. We are not learning here a syllabus. Please understand. We are just understanding the things. Okay. By the way, in syllabus there is one book which is useful for you. And as you all are, or as many of you are from working background, I also suggest. Basically, I never suggest to the full-time course, but I suggest for the only this class. Nirali Publications, Thakur Publications, some books are also available in the market, and you can start, or you can do, or you can purchase those books also. Okay, these books are also good, handy books, which will help you to understand this kind of things. And in case if you attend my sessions regularly, you don't want to purchase any books also. That's also, this is what I'm saying. Why? Because yesterday only when I come to know that you people, most of you are working, then I just bought a Thakur's publication book also, which is not my habit. Why? Because it is necessary that to tell you also to recommend this book and to use some points from these books for you people also. Okay. Now I was taking example of the car. Now understand, guys, there are 80% persons, how they react. Point number one, like Neha reacted. I'm so happy. I'm really so happy. Congratulations. Keep it up. ऐसे ही बनते रहो. ऐसे ही दुनिया में जीते रहो. Let the prosperous come. Let the healthy life come. Let new SUV will come within 2 years. Criteria number 2. हाँ, ठीक है. Good. Very good. Look at my face also and observe and feel it. हाँ, ठीक है. Very good. अच्छा किया तूने गाड़ी लिया. अच्छा किया. चल मैं निकलता हूँ. See, friend with whom I always talk 1 hour at a parking. This time when he said me that I took a new brand car, I said, "अरे yes, okay, मैं निकल रहा हूँ, थोड़ा काम है." 3 number category. Wow, great, absolutely great. बहुत अच्छा किया तूने. He went. Another friend come. इसका क्या जाता है? इसने बाप ने पैसे दिए. अपने जैसा थोड़ी ही है. इसको तो उसके बाप ने पैसे दिए, वो अपने जैसा थोड़ी ही है. उसको बोलो हार्ड वर्क करे पहले. फीडबैक पता है उसका? 2 बार प्रमोशन नहीं हुआ है बिकॉज ऑफ कितना क्या है, क्या फायदा. नंबर 3. नंबर 4. अरे ये कैसे गाड़ी ले सकता है? अंडरस्टैंड गाइस, ये क्यों क्यों आई एम जस्ट कीपिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, इट इज मैटर. ये कैसे गाड़ी ले सकता है? ये कैसे गाड़ी ले सकता है? इसकी औकात ही क्या है गाड़ी लेने की? मेरी औकात है गाड़ी लेने की, मैं नहीं ले सकता तो ये कैसे ले सकता है? These all are emotions which we express sometime by words, or sometime we never express and think only. These kind of emotions make you personal or make your personality, guys. ऐसे ही इमोशंस आपके पर्सनालिटी बनाते हैं आप. राइट? There is a research. It shows, recently it coming into the picture. People are working on this. Psychiatrists are working on this. How much positive things you will give to your brain? How much positive orders you will give to your brain? It will reproduce the positive things. If, like Neha, if you pray, if you appraise for the person who has purchased a brand new car, indirectly, definitely positive attitude will come in your heart or brain, and it will get attitude of getting a car. Please understand, guys. There may be some pros and cons, but these are the researches which are coming in front of us. ये क्या है? That is what I'm telling you. ये क्या है? For example, I tell you, suppose if I drink water, I just drink water, right? And somebody told me that this is a Ganga water, this is a Amrit. इतना वाटर खतरनाक है, इतना बढ़िया है कि इससे इम्यून सिस्टम बहुत अच्छी फील होती है. आपको भूख लगेगी. once you drink this water ना, आपको भूख लगेगी. And once I take this water, after 30 minutes, I ask my wife to prepare some food. Why? Because hungry. Second day she asked me, अरे अचानक से आपको क्या हुआ? नहीं, वो मेरा फ्रेंड बोला ना ये पानी पिएगा तो तुझे हंगरी. Then we had a meeting with this friend laughingly, and he was laughing and telling me that कि मैंने कैसे तुम्हें उल्लू बनाया. Understand the emotions. पूरा इमोशंस का खेल है, पूरा फीलिंग्स का खेल है, पूरा फीलिंग का खेल है. आई टेल यू, दैट इज व्हाट. इस खेल को समझना, ये खेल ही है. इस खेल को समझना, इस खेल को देखना. ये खेल मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूं बच्चों, मैं बहुत रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी से ये शब्द बोल रहा हूं. ये खेल अगर हम देखेंगे नहीं, समझेंगे नहीं, तो सुसाइड के केसेस बढ़ेंगे नहीं. अदरवाइज डिप्रेशंस में लोग जाते हैं, बंद कमरे में अपने आप को बंद करके देते हैं, और दे जस्ट स्टार्ट थिंकिंग थिंकिंग थिंकिंग, व्हाई, व्हाट, व्हाई विथ मी, व्हाई विथ मी ओनली. They are taking the things. Now they're not understanding that there may be a problem in you, there may be a problem in other person. जैसे कि आपको पता है, नो यू जस्ट पार्किंग योर टू व्हीलर. कभी आपने देखा होगा अनुराग, कभी आपने देखा होगा कि यू जस्ट पार्किंग योर टू व्हीलर पार्क कर रहे हो, उतर रहे हो, तब तक कोई आता है और आपको ठोक देता है. तब तक आता है और आपको ठोक देता है. आपकी गाड़ी थोड़ी खराब होती है, आपको खरोच जाती है, वो आदमी गिरता है और वो चिल्लाता है, तो आपको समझ में नहीं आता इधर पार्क किया आपने गाड़ी. आप गलत नहीं हो, वो गलत है. लेकिन बिकॉज ऑफ दैट इंसिडेंट, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ इमोशन इज इमर्जिंग यू and how you are controlling that emotions, that's matter. I tell you one story and then we'll go to a stage. Are you with me, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see, have you heard this story? You must have heard this story. एक छोटा बच्चा था, एक नई कार ली थी पापा ने, और वो बच्चा उस कार के ऊपर पत्थर से लिख रहा था कुछ. पत्थर खरोच से कुछ लिख रहा था. क्या लिख रहा था पता नहीं चला, लेकिन पापा ने इधर से देखा और जैसे ही कुछ लिख रहा था देखा, और लिखे जैसे ही आया, और पापा देखो मैंने हमारे कार के ऊपर क्या लिखा है. सी 90% पीपल कभी अच्छा नहीं लगता है. कार, लाइक मी ऑल्सो, फॉर मी कार इज अ पैशन, मे बी अ पैशन फॉर अदर पीपल. उसने सिर्फ इतना उसको समझ में आया, उसने ऊपर बालकनी से देखा कि कुछ लिख रहा है, एंड ही जस्ट रन अवे, स्टेप डाउन, टुक वन स्टिक. 5 साल का बच्चा, 4 या 5 साल का बच्चा होगा, 6 साल का होगा. Father took a stick and started beating that. 30 lakh rupees की कार है. Have you ever done this kind of things? See, understand the emotions, guys. Who is right and who is wrong, यहाँ पर हम स्टडी नहीं कर रहे. इससे सीखना क्या है, ये लेक्चर है. I'm not here to talk with you, because वो concept अलग है. Suppose for example Advait is going to ask me questions, Neha is going to ask me question, that is a personal questions, पर्सनल फीलिंग्स. उनका आंसर देने का 1 मिनट में हम कोई आंसर उसका नहीं दे सकते. उसको हिस्ट्री पढ़ना पड़ेगा, हिस्ट्री, एंड यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द हिस्ट्री. दैट्स व्हाट. ओके, नाउ ही स्टार्टेड बीटिंग हिज सन, राइट. इतना मारा कि वो सन कोमा में चला गया, कोमा में या अनकॉन्शियस हो गया. देन he came down, he took him in the same car, went to the hospital. 3 days the son was in ICU. Okay, now that day when he admitted on son, he was sitting inside. आप सब सुन रहे हैं ना? It's very important. Self awareness, first point. Managing emotions हम पढ़ने वाले हैं. So he was coming from side, वो आ रहे थे, घर में आया, दोनों ही माँ बाप रोने लगे। उसको समझ में आया कि हमने क्या किया। वाइफ आस्क, अरे ऐसा इतना गाड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है क्या तेरे को? Then he come side and saw that what was written by that boy, and that boy was written, I love you daddy. The boy wrote a sentence, I love you daddy. Why it happens? Because you cannot control your emotions, and the best person, the best personality is that person who can control their emotions. If you have a weak heart, then it could be a, might be a possible, right? Kai. Okay, it could be a possible that you would have done many time of suicide, many time of depression. If you could be in the place of Ratan Tata ji, you could be a place in the place of Ambani. How many losses they have seen, how many things they have seen. Okay, now to develop ourselves at the level of emotional, some scholars has coming with the 5 dimensions. The first dimension is a self-awareness. Now the word is a self-explanatory. Self-awareness means to understand yourself. Self-awareness means knowing about oneself. मुझे मेरे बारे में पता होना चाहिए. I should understand. I tell you that whenever there will be my sessions, please understand that this is what my experiences I'm sharing. If you want, you also share with your experiences. You also stop me somewhere else. Wherever there will be my sessions, I required a quiet atmosphere. I required to be there on the platform at least 5 to 10 minutes before. This is what my feeling. Unless and until I will not be there 5 to 10 minutes before, I will not peacefully enjoy that session. This is what my feeling, guys. This is what I have developed. Why? Because I know myself. I understood myself. मुझे शांति चाहिए, तभी मैं lectures ले सकता हूँ, right? To identify his own feelings along with his preferences. It is self-awareness. You should understand. You should understand. See, I tell you. Now, this, whatever the example I'm going to give you, this may not be related to the psychological, but they may connect to the self-awareness. Person who has sugar, diabetic person, it is his duty to control the intake of a sugar, not other person. Now you must have observed in a family, most of the families, the elder persons are not listening. Father-in-laws are not listening to the family members, your mothers, relating to the intake of a sugar. Now please understand, guys, if there is no self-awareness, if there is no self-awareness about that, what is going to happen with his future? Pain, pen, and a pen. This was also one of the example of the self-awareness. Capacity of an individual to self-assess. What do you mean by the self-awareness? His experience of intuition and his feeling is known as a self-awareness. Now, when you develop intuitions, I tell you, let's take the example of a share market. Some person who are old in a share market, who are having a great experience in a share market, they will tell you that आज ये शेयर्स ऊपर जाएगा 100%, and वो ऊपर जाता है. Why? It is called intuition. Intuition never come without the experiences. Please understand, guys. Sometime it may happen that experiences, for example, I tell you, हम आने जाने के रास्ते पर, हमेशा आने जाने के रास्ते पर एक ऐसा चौक भी आता है जहां पर हम बहुत धीरे से जाते, कोई आए या ना आए पता नहीं, लेकिन that intuition comes that any time that vehicle will come or vehicle is coming. It happens to find out, to understand our intuitions, to understand the things. Unfortunately, my friends, unfortunately, we Indian people are not awareing, not working, not educating oneself or ourselves on our mind management. We are not educating, guys. We are not educating. This is the most negligible part of our education and our life also. We never thought, we never think. That is what the more and more problems, more and more pain, more and more sorrowful things are coming. Why? Because we really do not understand how to handle the problems, how to handle the situations, and what we understand is that we just see that what other people are using their, how other people is handling the techniques. Even we imitate the people, barring to understanding our own nature, barring to understand our own nature. You understood, right? So this is the one structure of intuition. Second is the self-awareness, means understanding a situation through the eyes of another. Now there are 2 points. Through eyes of another, and strengthening self-management and self-awareness skill. For example, if I'm teaching this subject to you people, so 50% are working, 50% are full-time, and MBA students. If I'm teaching that subject to the psychologist students, if I'm teaching this subject to the doctor, now if I'm teaching this subject to the doctor, I directly start with the brain, limbic system, amygdala, nervous system, चेतना. यहाँ पे क्या होता है, यहाँ पे क्या होता है, how the exactly things are coming into the brain, what brain is giving it to that. When you pinch to your heart, what type of nerve used to go and talk to the brain? ये मैं डॉक्टर को पढ़ा था, लेकिन we are not learning here, we are understanding. We are a people who are non-scientific and researcher persons. We are just feeling by our expressions, we are feeling by our experiences. So self-management is something different than the self-awareness. Self-awareness is knowing ourselves first, and self-management is after knowing ourselves with our plus and negative points, after knowing ourselves with our plus and negative points, coping with the situation. That is called as self-management. Okay. Do you have some questions? Am I clear? Am I audible, guys?
Yes.
Yeah. Is it okay, Neha?
I said.
Oh, because I'm not listening, that's why. Okay. What are the components of self-awareness? What are the components of self-awareness? Self-management and self-awareness. As I told you, that there is a difference between self-management and self-awareness. Self-awareness means to understand your strength and weaknesses. To understand your strength and weaknesses. It's very simple. Suppose if somebody has an allergy of that product, any XYZ product, the person will understand the self-awareness. That is called as a self-awareness. I'm telling you, we are discussing about the mind actually, but I'm telling you about the body. It is called self-awareness. Now, do not use that product and use another product, or if it is a compulsory, then how to use it with not harming to your body is called a self-management. Next is a seeing the other side, guys. Seeing the other side means that if you want to understand, if you understand what you are, you have to ask the other people also. For example, if I start saying that मैं बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाता हूँ, मैं बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाता हूँ, मैं बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाता हूँ, and you people are started saying इसका कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है, इसका कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है. What is the use of this? Seeing the other side is also very important, guys. Now, what do you mean by this, seeing the other side? To understand the other person's perspective. To understand the other person's perspective is also matter. It's also very, very important, right? Sometimes it may happen that some are very short tempered. One of the family member can be a very short temper. And whenever any incident happen in any society, you are handling it very politely with the keep cool mind. Suddenly that family member come and start beating or start saying something, और वो खिचड़ी बना देता है, problem करा कर देता है. Seeing the other side is having a two words, two things. ये दूसरों को, ये सब पूरा यूनिट जो है ना, ये यूनिट दूसरों को डेवलप करने के लिए, दूसरों को पहचानने के लिए नहीं हो रहा है. अपने आप को पहचानो, अपने आप को डेवलप करने के लिए हो रहा है. So you should understand this. We are a colleague at workstation. So have you observed? You must have observed. नेहा, अंकुर या अद्वैत, आप लोगों ने देखा होगा, सुचिता, कि there are some women who always their mind is in their kids, even at the working station. बेटा ने खाना खाया होगा या नहीं खाया होगा, क्या करता होगा, मेड आई होगी या नहीं आई होगी. So understand, guys. So you as a friend first have to understand that she is a family centric person. Sometimes हम कुछ जोक पास कर देते हैं. आज आपकी मैरिज एनिवर्सरी है, क्या फिर आज क्या पार्टी बिल्टी क्या लेके जाने वाले आपके? And the lady avoid to answer, saying that कि पता नहीं, we'll see, and ignoring the further discussion. It means she is an introvert and doesn't want to share any private things, personal things with anyone, even though you are a friend. You should understand her. Now, once you understand, you should not ask second question related to this to her. Say just, God bless you, congratulations. That's it. And if you do this, that person will give you respect. Seeing the other side. It's very, very important, guys. Another point is also there. When you develop the skill of seeing the other side, it will gives you back to control yourself. पश्चाताप करने की टाइम नहीं आता है बार बार, isn't it? I tell you just one point. When I was in one institute, I had one friend, colleague, excellent colleague, excellent. He was excellent person. He always used to ready for the helping of the other people. And at 7 o'clock night, we had some committee work, and we went somewhere else. 7, 8 o'clock, we completed our task. Generally 5 o'clock is a timing to finish the college, and we were working there somewhere, and he was going to the Baner Road, and he saw that one of a lady, now understand guys, he saw one of a lady that we know that she is a very, very aloof kind of lady. She never talk, she never take an initiate to talking with anyone. She is so introvert. She never liked that somebody chasing, or she never chase any other person. She always sit into the cabin, do her business, follow her rules, discipline, and went home. He saw that that woman was standing for a bus at 8 o'clock, and nobody was there. He was on a two-wheeler. He asked her that, shall I give you lift? Shall I drop you somewhere else? Shall I drop you somewhere else? Intention was pure. Asking intention, because I know him. Intention was very poor, was pure. She said no angrily. Why? No. These are the two words she stopped. He says sorry and went. Because she asked why. Na? That is what she says sorry and went. Next day, she wrote a complaint against him saying that he was offering me a lift. I understand this feeling. Both the person with this, because of this incident, both the person dismissed from that institute. It may happens with anyone. कौन झूठ, कौन सही, कौन बराबर, इसकी बात हम यहाँ पे नहीं कर रहे. Whether they dismiss, why dismiss, ये बात नहीं कर रहे. उससे हमारा सबका कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. हमारा इस इंसिडेंट में छुपा हुआ इमोशन से हमारा लेना देना है. Why it happens? Because the woman never talk with any one person. Woman in her life never sit other than her brother or husband's bike. And she was crying. She was taking it very seriously. उसकी जरूरत कैसे हुई? Now here, both the person should understand the other side of the things. It is his duty also to understand to whom you are giving an offer of lift, even though that person is in the danger. And it is also duty of that woman to understand what is the intention of the other person. Seeing the other side. मैं यहाँ पर कोई डिस्कशन छेड़ना नहीं चाहता हूँ. आई एम जस्ट वांटेड टू टेल यू, वांटेड टू ग्रो अप. आपको ग्रो करना है यहाँ पर थॉट्स के लेवल पे. ओके, गिविंग इट विदाउट गिविंग अप. डोंट गिव अप. 4 कदम पीछे जाओ लेकिन भागो मत. डोंट गिव अप. We are not on the earth for giving up. We are on the earth for going up. Please always understand my words. Sitting quiet, it doesn't mean that you are a failure. Getting less marks, it doesn't mean that you don't have the ability to get a good marks. Giving in, isn't it? So sometimes we need to do a compromise, which is unavoidable things. Sometimes we need to do a compromise. And doing a compromise, it always doesn't mean that you are giving up. Giving up comes in 2 ways. One, internally giving up, and externally giving up. Now, what do you mean by this? Internally का मतलब अब मुझसे नहीं होगा. Externally giving up का मतलब क्या है? काम करते करते बीच में छोड़ना और बस हो गया. चल बस हो गया, ये नहीं करूंगा मैं, some people start saying मैं क्यों ऐसा, why you are telling it? Because you do not understand how to do it. और उसमें हम ईगो को ले जाते हैं, मैं क्या इस काम के लिए बनाऊं, इस काम के लिए बेटा बना नहीं है, तेरे को ये काम आता नहीं। इन जापान, any person, there are some companies, I have one or two three friends who are working there also. He said that ki boss is also coming directly for the Xerox machine, for photocopy machine directly. He used to come there, take a photocopy, went there whenever there was a meeting and a board committee meeting and discussion, that time only he will be boss, otherwise all are friends. They can see only result. How you are coming to this result doesn't matter. I am discussing, and if I'm talking with the family points with my another colleague also, and my boss is passing, he never asked me to come in my cabin, and he is not going to fire me. But काम नहीं रहते तो तुम क्या कर रहे थे? Nothing, because there is a perfect hierarchy. There are some persons who are checking my work, and if they are happy, then boss has nothing to do with me. It's not happening in our India. ये नहीं हो रहा है इंडिया में, नहीं होता है इंडिया में, ये समझना हमारा ड्यूटी है. दैट इज कॉल्ड इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस. इट्स कॉल्ड इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस. नाउ अंडरस्टैंड, in if I observe myself also, I tell you that every evening after my marriage, 2-3 years, my wife at a 7 o'clock evening used to ask me one question. आज सब्जी क्या बनाऊं, आज सब्जी क्या बनाऊं. You must have observed this kind of things also at your family level. Your mother or somebody is asking husband there also. तो मुझे ये बचपन से कभी सुना नहीं मैंने, because my mama, whatever she cooked, I used to eat it. Point number. Second is that anytime if I want something special, then I could have informed her, Mama, will you do these things? After marriage, suddenly they changed the statement. At every day, 7 o'clock, coming and asking me, आज क्या बनाऊं? Now, please understand, first for 1 month was a compromise. Why? Because she is a new, and I do not want to hurt her. Say, बनाओ तुम्हें जो चाहिए तो, बनाओ तुम्हें जो चाहिए तो, बनाओ तुम्हें जो चाहिए तो. Then again, I started hurting, and I'm just telling कि ये क्या है, ये हमेशा क्यों पूछते रहते हो? What, do it now, whatever you want. After 3 years, when I read some books, when I come to know about my emotional intelligence and her emotional intelligence, then I come to know that the way she cultured was a part of her, the way I culture was a part of me. Then I sat together and I said that, dear, don't ask me anything if it is possible, isn't it? If there will be the special, then we will have a discussions. Otherwise, we will decide these kind of things. Okay, no issues. Issues been solved. Why? How issues been solved? When I read, when I understand the emotional intelligence of both the persons. You and only you can choose your minds and not other people. You and you can choose your minds and not other people. Please understand, guys. Have you heard this 3-4 statements? 4 statement आपने सुना है? कभी सुना होगा? I am okay, you are okay. नेहा सुना है?
Yes, sir. And we have also done the study in organizational behavior with the another faculty in first semester course.
Yes, very good, very good. So I'm not going to make so many time over here. I am okay, you are okay. Then I am okay, you are not okay. Then I am not okay, you are okay. Then I am not okay, you are not okay. This is the position of your life. You must be always in the first line. I am okay, you are okay. Now it means whatever you are okay, I am ready to accept it. And I would say, okay. Neha, if you are offering a cup of tea to your friend, and asking you that let's have a cup of tea together. She is coming with you. You are going into the canteen. While giving you order, she says, "No, no, I prefer green tea." Now my question is, do you have any objection on this?
I will not have any objection.
Absolutely no. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Because it is her requirement. And a friend is your requirement. I am okay, you are okay. I am okay with you are okay. I am okay with your okay also. You are okay नहीं बोल रहा हूं मैं, you are okay बोल रहा हूं. Situation is very bad when I say that I am not okay, you are okay. जब तुम ओके रहती हो तब मैं ओके नहीं हूँ. ये बहुत बड़ा लंबा भाषण है इसके ऊपर. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू स्टेट दैट थिंग्स. And situation is worst when I am not okay, when you are not okay, or you are not okay. It's very situation worst. Right? Okay. चलो next जाते हैं हम. I am okay, you are okay. Second point is managing emotions. Second point is managing emotions. We are learning the 5 traits. After 5 traits, our first unit will be completed. What do you mean by the managing emotions? The ability of an individual to control his desires and emotions is known as a self-management or managing emotions. It means that ability. मेरी ability क्या है? What is my ability? Isn't it? Of individual to control desire. मेरी desire control मैं कैसे कर सकता हूँ? Known as the self-management. Self-controlling means self-emotions or managing emotions. Self-regulations means managing emotions, guys. And how to cope up with the situations. It's also very important to understanding that managing relations. Okay. Managing emotions means self-controlling. अपने आप को पहचानो. From last 5 years, I have a habit, or somebody has a habit to take a nap of 30 minutes afternoon. Right? And if you want to break it, you need some more time to concentrate on some more activities. Right? This way you can manage your emotions. If you feel a fear, even this psychiatrists also do like kind of things. If you have a fear about multi-storage buildings to go on some floors apart, phobia of a depth, then someday you have to go on first floor, someday you have to go on second floor. This is called as a managing emotions. Okay, you people are working, someone of you are working. Neha, just correct me if I'm wrong. Sometimes we have that attitude when 3 or 4 people are talking and we are talking. Yesterday there was a birthday of her daughter or son and she was sharing her experience. ये एग्जाम्पल बहुत बहुत तगड़ा है और सब लोग इसमें फंस जाते हैं. She is sharing experiences of yesterday's birthday. आपको पता है ये वो भी आ गए, आपको पता है वो भी आ गए, अरे आपको पता है जिसको मैंने बुलाया नहीं था वो भी आ गए, हमने केक बनाया, हमने समोसे बनाए, हमने ऐसा किया, हमने वैसा किया, वो किया, वो किया, ब्ला 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 थिंग्स. फोटो खिंचवाई, मैंने बेटे को ये गिफ्ट दिया, लैपटॉप दिया, ये दिया, टैब दिया. ओके 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 ओके. Now what happens if 3-4 persons are there? जैसे ही वो अपना भाषण शुरू करती है वैसे हम उसमें कूद पड़ते हैं। अरे वो ये तो कुछ नहीं पता है तेरे को, मेरे बेटे के बर्थडे में मैंने क्या किया। सी, इज इट राइट और रॉन्ग नेहा? क्योंकि नेहा तुम ही बोलती हो क्लास में, अनुराग ही बोलता है, इसलिए मैं हमेशा आपके नाम लेता हूँ। सुचिता, कोई भी अगर बोलेगा तो अच्छा रहेगा, कोई रिस्पॉन्स देगा तो बहुत बढ़िया लगता है।
Yes, sir, you are right. Actually, even in my previous organization, we were having some married women. Those are, I mean, having two childrens, and they were, I mean, they used to discuss about the family things, and sometimes I used to take lunch with them. So there was a woman in the group, and आपने जो explain किया वो बिल्कुल वैसे ही बात करती थी, and the other जो थी वो भी उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करती थी, बट somehow I was not very much interested in that. But unfortunately, when my friends are on leave, was on leave, sorry, I used to take lunch with them. So yes, it's true. There are people
Yes.
around us, kind of.
Now what happened, Neha? Understand what I want to say is here. See, she is sharing her latest experience.
Exactly.
Your task is to listen. Instead of listening, we are also sharing our points, which has not been asked by somebody.
Exactly, sir. The other person should be on silent mode.
Yes, be on a silent mode. Unnecessary, because uska neighbor, bin bulaya neighbor, uske birthday में आ गया. That concept she is sharing. Why you are badnaming to your neighbor, taking that neighbor also in this discussion? पूछा नहीं है ना किसने? Managing emotions, that's the matter. And believe me, I'm using this kind of all sticks, and I'm happy. I'm very much happy. Very much happy. आपको पता है एक सेंटेंस है, विदाउट आस्किंग एनीवन डोंट गो फॉर द गिविंग सजेशंस.
I agree, sir. This is true.
इन नेहा इंडस्ट्री में एक सेंटेंस हमेशा सब लोग याद रखना, हमेशा याद में रखना. unnecessary suggestions, unnecessary good, more work is a result in too much work for you. Will tell you one point. मैनेजिंग, यहाँ पर मैं प्रोफेशनलिज्म सिखा रहा हूँ आपको. यहाँ पे आप मत बोलना कि सर क्या होता है अगर कोई काम कर रहा है. हाँ देखो, अब कोई बंदा ऐसा है जो वो पेल सकता है, that persons can take the responsibility, he can definitely go. That is what I'm telling you. You should identify yourself first. सेल्फ कंट्रोल. प्रॉब्लम क्या था, मेरा मेरा एक सिचुएशन था, ऐसा सिस्टम था कि आई यूज्ड टू गिव so many suggestions which I think 100 out of 100 people used to give it. So हम ऐसा कर सकते हैं, ये प्लान कर सकते हैं, वो प्लान कर सकते हैं, इस खुली में ये कर सकते हैं, उस क्लासरूम में ये कर सकते हैं, ऐसा कर सकते हैं, यहाँ से यहाँ नहीं. अरे भाई बच्चों को हम यहाँ पे ऐसे डिसिप्लिन लगा सकते हैं, ये appreciated everyone. Everyone was appreciated. भाई मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. आज पता है क्या क्या हुआ, मैंने जो बोला वो सही हुआ. Yes, yes, very good, very good, very good. Early morning, 9 o'clock, director called me in a cabin and he said, Umesh, yesterday was excellent day. You shared a lot of things. Now it is your responsibility to implement those things. Start doing it. Ask students, come with a shaving. Why don't you come 1 hour before? They are coming at 9 o'clock. They start coming at 9 o'clock. You should come at 8 o'clock. तुम्हारे जैसे प्रोफेसर हमें चाहिए. I'm coming at 8 o'clock in institute and going at 9 o'clock at institute. People are coming at 9 o'clock institute and going at 6 o'clock from institute. क्या किया मैंने? Because I have not managed my emotions. Instead of that, those students who are coming in my contact, if I will try to improve themselves, neatness, steadiness, uniform, day by day it will increase. That was okay. I gave a Foucault ke suggestions. They have not promoted me because for promotion they required a PhD and not that kind of skill. Are you with me, all of you?
Yes, sir.
It's call it. That is what. How to cope up with the managing situation, changing situation. It is also matter, guys. What are the components of managing emotions? What you have to do? See, there are emotional quotients brain, EQ brain, emotional quotients brains, and how it works. Please understand. There are 3 types of brains. These are the science. First brain, emotional brain, and rational brain. First brain, brainstem, talks something about neutral things. Emotional brain, that is called as a limbic system, which produce emotions for each and every situations, and this is totally depending on your previous patterns. छोटे बच्चों को हम सिखाते हैं, पता है आपको, उसको हाथ नहीं लगाते, हाय हा हाय वो गंदा है गंदा, उसको हाथ नहीं लगाते, गंदा है, ये चीज गंदी है, ये उसके दिमाग में बैठ जाता है. Even I tell you, how many of you are Marathi here? Shall I use a Marathi for some minute? Yes, Neha? Okay, Mayuri Doshi.
I understand.
Yes, okay. See, तुम्ही ज्यावेळी कोणाच्याकडे तरी जाता, when you go in somewhere else, for that person used to that person first offer you a tea. I tell you, in Maharashtra, I have observed, see the languages. Chaha करू का? Agree? Say yes, somebody. चहा ठेवू का? चहा टाकू का? चहा मांडू का? चहा शिजवू का? चहा देऊ का? 6 things, 6 languages, 6 ways of languages, purposes of offering a tea. Now, when the first time person is using chaha takuka, then his limbic system tells us, what do you mean by takuka? Because takuka, it means to throw away. The first point, please understand. And neocortex, rational brain, visualize the concept. National brain visualize the concept. Means उसको पता चलता है कि इस सिचुएशन में चाय टाकू का, इसका मतलब आपको चाय चाहिए क्या होता है. Limbic system is emotional system which is totally depending on your previous experiences, right? That is called as EQ brain. We have to understand the science of emotions also. We have to find out a self-control. We have to develop a can-do attitude. We have to set our goals for managing emotions. We have to self-monitor ourselves. सुबह 6 बजे मैं उठ नहीं पाता हूं, ये पहले स्वीकार करना चाहिए. नहीं उठ पाता तो क्या करूं? मैं आज अलार्म लगाता हूं, कल उठता हूं. कल नहीं उठा तो आई विल नॉट डू अ ब्रेकफास्ट. जब तक नहीं, इसका मतलब अगर जिस दिन मैं नहीं उठूंगा तब मैं ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं लूंगा. ऐसा जब हम सेल्फ मॉनिटर करेंगे तब आप धीरे धीरे 6 o'clock उठने शुरू होंगे. You have to give you motivations, confidence, willpower develop करना पड़ेगा. So many things are there where I am not telling you because time is not permitting me. Right? Using a coping thoughts. Instead of that, हम ऐसा बोलते हैं ना, आज मैं बहुत थक गया. This word again and again, again and again, again and again, again and again, repeating, you will come to know miracle that after 1 month, 7 o'clock every 7 o'clock night, when you come from office से आते वक्त दरवाजे तक you were fresh. दरवाजे के अंदर आते ही आप बोर हो जाते हो क्योंकि आपने अपने माइंड को इतनी बार बोला है कि आज थक गया, मैं आज बहुत थक गया. इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट, आज थोड़े काम ज्यादा थे लेकिन आई एंजॉयड. स्टार्ट टॉकिंग लाइक दिस टू योरसेल्फ. कुछ थॉट्स बनाओ जो अपने डिफिकल्टीज है, जो आपके प्रॉब्लम्स है. इफ यू वांट यू शेयर योर प्रॉब्लम्स विद मी ऑन माय पर्सनल नंबर आल्सो, पर्सनल फोन आल्सो. Then we had a discussions on this, how it is, how it work. Instead of telling that कि पैसे मुझे कमी मिल रहे, तो it means that you are giving intuitions to your brain saying that कि पैसे कम ही मिलने वाले हैं. Why don't you say that कि आज कम मिलने वाले हैं, कल बहुत मिलेंगे. कम बहुत मिलने वाले हैं, आज कम मिलेंगे. This way if you talk, then it will develop. आपकी ग्रोथ होती जाएगी, पॉजिटिविटी आपकी बढ़ती जाएगी. This is what a very important, guys. Okay. There is last point, using of relaxation techniques, which I will not cover now. आज जो मैंने पढ़ाया वो आपको थोड़ा समझ में आ गया? Have you understood? Yes. Have you understood? Okay. ठीक है, चलो. Shall I stop here? सभी